Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to be back. After the success of our first branch in Butwal, Nepal, we are coming up with a second branch in Nepal in Pokhara. The operations are going to start from 18th of November and we will make sure that we give you each and everything in Pokhara as well, which all the other students are getting, which will help you get your desired scores in the very first attempt. You will have access to special templates, AI practice portal, the app, special practice material, updated templates, mock test rooms and one-to-one feedback, which will help you to crack PT test without wasting your time and money. Pokhara classes are starting 18th of November, admissions are open and we are offering 50% discount to first 50 students. You can give us a call, send us a message, book your slots, start your classes from 18th of November and we are going to make sure each and every student in Pokhara as well now gets the desired score in the very first go. To know more, you can visit us on this address. Just give us a call, book your slot and avail 50% discount. Limited time offer, Pokhara, we are going to rock it and we are going to help each and everyone in Pokhara to get the desired score. I'll see you very soon, 18th of November, PT classes by Language Academy in Pokhara and all the students are going to get the desired scores. Thank you.